What's up, traders? All right, quick video today since I only took one trade, but today was wild. Pre-market looked like we're setting up for a massive sell-off. Everyone was bracing for it because of the new tariffs, and then out of nowhere, bam, reversal. Because the Mexico tariffs got canceled and the market flipped completely. So yeah, if you felt like today's price action was volatile, you're not alone, which is also exactly why sticking to a plan is so important. I thought I'd go without taking a trade again today, which seems to be kind of the theme in the past couple weeks, but I did take one trade towards the end of the market. This is going to be a short recap, but before we get into it, hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying these recaps, even on the red days. Not gonna lie, it's not easy to put these out daily when I'm taking losses, but we embrace the red days, so win or lose, I'm going to keep showing up and posting these for you daily. If you're new to this challenge, here's a quick rundown of how I'm approaching this challenge. I'm taking one ES contract per trade, and every trade will follow my plan. No improvising, no moving stops or targets, and no FOMO and revenge trading. If I miss an entry, I move on. If I take a loss, I don't chase. And just like day one, I'm here to show you the whole process, both wins and losses. So let's talk about the trade I took today. All right, so for my first trade, I was actually feeling pretty confident in the setup. The market had been trying to fill this gap in price action all day, and based on how things were moving, I figured power hour would be the time it finally pushes through. I liked the structure, the timing made sense, and it fit my plan. So I took the trade expecting a strong move towards the close. And it looked like it was bouncing off of the fair value gap at first, but it failed, only to come back up later. So technically I was right, just not at the right time. The market did push in my direction, but not before stopping me out first. My entry was just a little too early, and instead of getting the move I was looking for, I got taken out before the price finally made the run after 4 p.m. Now, obviously, I wouldn't have traded that late in the day anyway, so it's not like I missed the trade. It just sucks when you have the right idea, but your execution is slightly off and you don't get paid for it. This is one of those trades that doesn't really bother me though. The plan was solid, the setup was there, and I didn't break any of my rules. If I see the same setup again in the future, I'd probably take it. It just didn't work out this time. And that's part of trading. Being right on direction doesn't mean you're going to make money. If the entry isn't perfect, you can still get stopped out even when the market does exactly what you expected. But hey, one trade down isn't the end of the world. Just gotta move on, stay focused on the bigger picture. So today's P&L is negative $127.80, bringing my total combined balance so far down to $498.70 in the red. Not a great start, but also not a disaster. I average 1 or 2 trades a day, so there's still plenty of room to weather the storm. Last week's 3 straight losses were definitely an outlier, especially now that I'm focusing more on risk management. Just gotta keep showing up and taking the trades I planned for. I still feel like the market's shifting, and with all these global catalysts shaking things up, I wouldn't be surprised if we see more volatility before things smooth out. Let's just see what tomorrow brings. So yeah, today was another small red day, not the worst, not the best, just one of those days where the market had its own agenda. I'll say though, 2025 already feels different. I don't know if it's the new market conditions under a different president or the usual start of the year volatility, but it's definitely not as calm as last year. Anyway, what did you guys think of today's price action? Did the fake sell-off mess with your bias, or did you catch the reversal? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying these daily recaps, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this challenge. It was a short one today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Red signing out.